Before all, something.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Monday, and the date is the 3rd of January 2022. All right, Habibi. I want you to open to page.
Miss,
Yes?
when we finish on time, can we play Kahoot?
Okay, we play Kahoot after we finish the lessons and we do revision through Kahoot, okay? All right, Habibi. What is the weather? When I ask you what is the weather, what are you going to describe?
The weather is sunny.
Okay.
So sunny.
We'll go out to see and we will tell you.
Excellent. Yes, Khalid, when you go out, what do you see?
Sun, cloud,
I see
rain.
some clouds, but now I don't see any
Okay.
cloud. I see only
And
sun.
where can you find this cloud or sunny? How is it? Yani, how can you find them? How can you find out about them? Oh,
You find them in the sky.
okay, in the sky, but how is it feel? It feels sometimes hot and sometimes it feels cold. What are you measuring? When you go out, you are measuring what around
Not
you?
have wind.
Huh?
Not have wind.
Excellent.
No.
Wind.
You can measure it with the measuring.
Excellent.
Weather.
Okay, so we are measuring the wind around us, or we can say we are measuring the air around us. You need to know how's the air around you. Is it hot, cold, or sunny? Just a second, boys.
That is not anything. It is like nothing. Like what? Like what? Hot and cold. I think.
Okay, so you were describing the air around you. Is it hot? Is it cold?
It is hot and cold.
Okay, sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it feels a little bit windy.
Sometimes I can't. The air is so tough. I can't breathe in it.
So you call it windy when the air is so heavy and moves around very quickly. We call it windy. So you are describing the air around you. Now, our Earth, okay, it's surrounded by mixture of gases. These mixture of gases, we call it atmosphere. What do we call it? Atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Yes, we call it atmosphere. Excellent, excellent. Now, let's open the book together.
We're gonna have a new vocabulary.
Huh, Habibi?
We're gonna have a new vocabulary.
Of course, yes, of course. So first of all, this is a world of weather. A world of weather. As you said, boys, weather can be sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or even windy.
Miss, in 297, the water cycle, you didn't put the answer, the sun and the water cycle.
Okay, you can write it on your own. Or you can open the recorded session. Now, Ya Muhammad, can you stay here with me about the weather? Okay. Now, the sun energy causes the water cycle. We know that. As you said, Ya Muhammad, we answered that in Sum It Up yesterday. Okay. It also affects
water cycle.
Yeah, the sun energy. is the reason why the water from the ocean vapors and evaporates, and go up to the sky, making clouds. Okay,
Make
so
it clouds and then it will be rainy and then the rain will be liquid water from
yes,
water vapor to liquid water.
yes, that's right. Okay, also the sun can heat Earth, temperature will change, and changing in temperature means changing in weather. So when you are thinking about the temperature of the weather around us right now, I think it's a little bit colder than month ago, 1 month ago. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much colder than 1 month ago. So yes, boys, weather can change also because of the sun. So not only the water cycle changes because of the sun, also the weather can change because of the sun. As we said, that Earth is surrounded by gases, mixture of gases. We call it atmosphere, okay? So the mixture of gases, what do we call them? Atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Oxygen, the one we breathe, is one of the gases in the atmosphere. It's the most important gas. Do you know that there is water, dust, oxygen, nitrogen, and a lot of gases around us? But the most important one is the oxygen that we already take in to survive. We breathe in to survive. We breathe oxygen to survive. Please, Habibi, I want you to open to page 304, underline with me the main ideas, which are the main words that we took today. As we said, 304, Earth is surrounded by layers of gases. This layer of gases is Earth atmosphere. What do we call it? Atmosphere.
Yeah.
Now, which one is very important? Which one is the most,
Atmosphere.
which gas is very important in the atmosphere, ya Khalid?
Oxygen is
Yes.
one of the gas in Earth. Is Earth.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And most of living things, they need oxygen to survive. Is that right?
Yeah. All of the animals.
Okay, not all of the animal. Do you know that also water vapor is also a gas in the atmosphere? That's very cool.
Because water
Not
vapor
all of the animals because the
and
sharks,
will be water vapor and this will be
even the sharks don't breathe on air.
They need oxygen, but they don't take oxygen from air. They take it
Yeah, they
from
take
water.
it from the they take it from the water.
Okay, so what is the weather? The weather is
funny.
the
Now it is
condition.
sunny.
Guys, here, over here, underline with me.
The weather is atmosphere.
Is the condition of the atmosphere at any one place and time, at any one place and time. So when you think about the weather,
No,
you will see the time, the place, and you will ask,
no.
how is the weather now? So you'll measure the atmosphere, the air around this place right now, this moment. Is it too hot? Is it too cold? Is it rainy? See, in one place. This is how you find
Miss,
out about the weather.
If the
the number
laptop
of the weather is 21.
Oh, so you mean the temperature of the weather today is 21.
And the temperature 18.
Yeah, the temperature. The temperature means that you are measuring the air, how hot the air is.
Miss, even if the weather said it is rainy, maybe it will not be rainy because Allah knows. Allah
It all depends on Allah's will. Of course, of course. People who learned science, they can predict, but they never can be sure about the weather. How is it today? How is it going to be tomorrow? They can predict through a pattern. Remember, if the weather
Maybe
repeats,
you will know from weather you have here. Look.
yeah, this is weather application. It can be,
Yeah.
it can happen, but not every time it's true because it's all, yes, it's all after Allah as well. All right, Habibi, after underlining, let's talk about something really nice. Take a look at this picture. Take a look at this picture.
The first one is a little bit, and the second one
So what do you see? Little bit of what?
Weather.
Weather?
weather.
No.
No,
Cloud.
These
Cloud.
are clouds. Excellent, excellent. These are clouds. We have 4 types of clouds, many types of clouds. The first one over here is cirrus. Please, I want you to underline them, memorize them. You have cirrus, cumulus, and stratus. Huh? We have cirrus. Let's underline them with the red. Cirrus, cumulus, and stratus. You have stratus. Okay? Can you see them? Okay.
Yeah.
Describe for me. Yeah. Describe for me the cirrus. Cirrus. What do you think? Describe them. They
it's not
are
very have wind.
okay. They are thin and feathery.
They are thin and they are feathery.
Yeah, they look feathery, like feathers. You know feathers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they are like squishy. Someone squished
Okay,
them.
whenever you see cirrus clouds, you know that they are often sign that the weather is about to
cold.
change. And yes, it is cold. Excellent, ya Mandili. So when you see it, you know that the weather is cold, temperature is cold, and the weather is about to change. The weather is about to change. What about cumulus?
I know.
Mhm.
They have flat bottoms and they have puffy and they have like cotton.
Yes, they are puffy, okay? They look like piles of cotton. They look like what? Piles of cotton. These are the most clouds we see, okay? Usually they mean fair weather. It means the weather is nice, not too cold, not too hot, not rainy, not windy. It's fair weather, and it is very nice weather, okay? Sometimes they can develop into cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus,
Nasty, you know what is my favorite type of cloud?
yes, please.
It is the strats because
Stratus.
that means if it is strats, it will be rainy or light or snow.
Excellent. So stratus look like
We
thin,
don't have snow.
they look like thin blankets, and as you said, Yamandili, yes, they mean that maybe rain or snow is coming. But there is another type called cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus is a mixture of all of them. Do you know why? Because it's very huge, can go from the top to the bottom or from the opposite side, from the bottom to the top. So how many
It is
clouds, how many
It is
types of
bigger than
clouds?
the houses.
Hmm?
Is it bigger than the mansion?
Bigger than the mountain? It's up in the atmosphere. Clouds, you can find them in the atmosphere. Also, they are mixture of gases. They are mixture of gases, but they are maybe full of water vapor. That's why they form cloud and they give rain and snow and hail. Did you underline with me the 3 type over here?
Yeah.
Did you
Yeah.
finish?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to go to the previous page. You will find the 4th type of cloud, which is cumulonimbus. Take a look at this one. The whole picture over here, it's too huge. These clouds are often tall and have a flat
Yeah.
top.
It will be big cloud, and that means it will be a rain, light and rainy.
Not rainy, they may be a thunderstorm. They may be a thunderstorm. All right, Habibi.
Yes,
So we
yes.
talked today about the
Yes,
weather. We described the
I
atmosphere and what do we have in the atmosphere and how we can measure the temperature, the clouds, what they mean.
Where does the lightning go? Does it go to house? Does it go to car? Where does it go?
The light?
Yeah, the lightning, yeah.
Oh, the lightning. The lightning hits anything has a negative or an opposite charge. So it's all about some electricity charges, okay? So yeah. So when
It
there
does
is a
not hit
thunderstorm,
anyone.
you need to be away
So
from
it does
it.
not hit any people.
You need to be away from metal, away from some places that is open because thunderstorm can make burn or fire. Okay, Habibi. After we finish this book, these 2 pages, I would like to open a video for you about types of clouds and what do they mean. So can we stop sharing and say bye-bye to recording, please?
Bye bye to the recording.